So now I'm going to tighten these nuts with 80 Newton meters. I'm going to loosen it with that one. The last of my Knipex came in. There she is. What a beauty. And I've got to try this out on these nuts. I'm going to torque these down with 80 Newton meters, and then I'm going to loosen it with that one. Yep, that's 80. I will take my tiny little Knipex and I'm going to loosen it, and I'm going to use the small tube of the trail jack as a pry bar. There she goes. I did screw up the trail jack tube, but 80 Newton meters with this little tiny Knipex, not bad, huh?